When are you gonna fish?
What's that?
When are you gonna fish?
You can fish right now if you want.
Go ahead. Well, then I'll have a bar. I got a bar. I'll have a bar.
You filming right now?
Yep.
Cool. You having fun? Alright, here we go. See the expert getting into the kayak now.
Oh.
What you doing?
I'm practicing.
Lots of concentration there. Oh, you alright?
Okay, put that thing down. People should look at me as being graceful.
The only reason you didn't tip is because I'm sitting on the kayak.
Okay.
Get your skirt done.
I can't do that.
Why? What do you need?
You.
Ah.
There it is. There he is. Okay. See, there's a cruise liner that stopped right here. We just had one whale pass us. There he is. Right there. Oh, gee, I hope I got him.
Got it.
There he is. Oh, there he is. Wow. Jeez. There, we're chasing four babies. They're moving faster than we are. They're right in there where you can just see the ripple there where they were. Oh, there. You can see them right there. Okay, there. Right there. 4 babies. There he is again. I'll get in closer. Over there. This is tough. Oh, there, look at the blowhole. There. Good. We're paddling hard to catch up. There's like 4 little babies. This is besides the other 3 babies that we saw. There they are, right in front of Richard. There he is. There, look at that. Oh, you can hear blowholes all around us. Right in front of my camera, a big bull just came up. We're waiting for him to come up again. Wait. They're all around us. There he is, right there. Right there. Oh man. Beautiful. Got him.
And this is why I come here.
Yeah, no kidding.
That was cool because I wasn't expecting that baby to be up front of the herd.
Right. Well, how about those little babies that came along the shore?
What's that?
How about the little babies that came along the shore?
Yeah. When we first came out here, that calf was coming at us. I wasn't expecting a whale for another 200 yards, and he came up around 50 feet away.
Yeah.
It was just cool.
Okay, I'm recording.
What's that?
I'm recording.
So how was the day today?
Wonderful.
Huh?
Wonderful.
What'd you get to see?
12 whales.
Hmm?
12 whales.
Did I promise you whales?
Yeah, you promised me whales. Oh, that's what you're doing. You're recording me.
Mm-hmm.
It was an excellent day. We paddled, was it 18 kilometers?
Mm-hmm.
The weather was great for us. We had a little bit of chop going out, but coming back was just smooth. And then we saw this cruise ship come in to the straits, and we noticed that he had stopped, or she had stopped. So we kept an eye on her, and we noticed whales around her, so we quickly rushed over and we saw 12 whales. And little babies and a big bull, and I think it went really well.
Mm-hmm. Did they surprise you?
No. I was surprised at how they were obviously communicating with each other, and that how the babies were way off to one side, but they were all heading in the same direction.
Did you expect to see them that close?
No, but the other thing that I noticed is when they came into the bay, it's like they owned the bay. It's like they were the kings of the bay.
Did you feel pretty small in the kayak?
Well, I felt not really small, but I certainly didn't think that I was I felt that they controlled what was going on and not me.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like, I mean, to me it was obvious that they could could recognize us and see us, and they knew they would have heard our paddles coming, but they just ignored us and swam right by us. And it's like we're the kings of the bay. We own it, and it's amazing to be surrounded with blowholes. You know, they were happening in the front of us, in the back of us, on the side of us. And I think the next time I get into something like that, I could probably take better videos.
You mean so it's not shaky?
Well, I was trying to do it with. But do you notice when I said to you that as we started paddling back, I said, I'm going to keep my camera in my life jacket so it's easier to get to. That was a good decision. And
Not easy being a cameraman, eh?
no, no, especially when you're in a kayak.
Kayak makes it really difficult.
It's very difficult. Turn that thing off.
And now we rest up against fire.
Yep.